Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this adorable little eucalyptus candle ring. This is my smallest wreath, but it's also one of my most popular, and I got an order for it today, so I wanted to show you how I made it, so you can make one too. Alright, let's get started. The materials you're going to need for this wreath are a mini wreath frame. This is a 6-inch wreath frame, Grapevine wreath. And some wire cutters, hot glue and a hot glue gun, and I have garland that is a eucalyptus garland. I don't need the whole garland. I'm going to use about half of it, and I'm just going to cut off each little stem. So all I'm going to do now is glue, each stem has 3 pieces connected to it like this. I'm going to glue them into the grapevine. Just like that. And I'm going to continue on until the whole grapevine is done. Before I do that, I'll show you, I've got some pieces that are a little bit wonky. So with those, I will cut off the wonky piece and I will use it to fill in extra pieces that need it. All right, let's go. If you can't tell, I'm placing them under the little wires, since this particular grapevine wreath has these little brown wires that hold it together, and I feel like that makes the eucalyptus a little bit more secure. You don't have to do that. You can just squeeze it in between the little branches, but I like to do it in the wire. So if you see me struggling, it's because I'm trying to fit it underneath the wire. I only use Gorilla Glue for my hot glue because it's really strong. I'll include a link to that in the description where you can purchase it. But the only thing about it is it dries a little bit slower. So I'm holding this piece here because it's in a wonky place. So I'm just holding it so it goes in the right spot where I want it. But Gorilla Glue is my absolute favorite, and you can get it on Amazon. It's the same price as Walmart, except if you get it on Amazon you don't have to go anywhere, which is my favorite. So this last piece is not going in very easily, so I'm going to wire it in so it doesn't fall out. I'm sure it wouldn't fall out, but I just want to be safe. I just wrapped the wire around the piece at its base and I poked it through. I'm just twisting it. Twisting it like this makes it really tight. Then I will just tuck that wire in. Now I'm just getting any hot glue strands cleaned up and checking to make sure there's no bare spots. Isn't this so cute? I love it. Let's see. I could put another thing right here. All right. Okay, here it is, my mini eucalyptus wreath with frosted eucalyptus. This is my candle ring size. It's 11 inches from leaf tip to leaf tip. I also have this available in a 15-inch size, a 18-inch size, and a 23-inch size. So whether you want it for a candle ring, as a tablescape centerpiece, or if you want to put one on your front door, I've got all the options. You can make one yourself now, or I can make one for you. It's up to you. It is a little tedious, but I just pop on some Netflix and I'm good to go. So I will include these in the description below, and as well as some of the materials I use if you want to make one yourself. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will have more videos like this coming up. Be sure to hit the bell to be notified when I upload more videos. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.